Hi students, this is Ashok Kumar MCA, Faculty of Computer Science. Dear students, today we can discuss about small topics, that is need of database, software applications, front end, API and backend. These are necessary for our DBMS concepts. Let's move to need of database. Dear students, we already learned about what is data. Data nothing but a raw facts. We already learned about data, database, DBMS. Dear students, why you need database? Nowadays, data is very important to us. Why? Because we are using data everywhere. For example, if you take an educational institute, that can be stored students, employees, faculty details. That stored data is very useful for future reference. So the data is represented in textual format like Word files, table format like Excel files, and images or audio video files. These are different formats of database. So everywhere data is so much important for future reference. So the data is stored inside the database. Now let's we move to software application. Dear students, we already learned about software. What is software? Software nothing but a collection of programs. But we can discuss in detail about software. A software is divided into three parts. First one is front end, second one is back end, and third one is API. API nothing but application programming interface. It is the interface between front end and back end. Front end is a user view. User view means it will be displayed as front pages. These pages only visible by the user. They don't know about API programming and backend programming. Backend nothing but a database. This backend and front end is interlinked by using API programming. These students, front end is designed by the programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, JSON, etc. These only visible by the user, but user did not know about the inner side programming like API and backend. API is a special programming is used for linking front-end data into back-end data. Back-end data nothing but database management system. Some softwares are used to store databases. That software nothing but Oracle, MySQL Server, IBM DB2, MongoDB, etc. These DBMS programs are developed using SQL programming. SQL nothing but structure query programming. So user cannot view this database and API programming. Users can only view by only front-end pages. Dear students, we briefly discuss about this one. Look here. Front-end nothing but if you take an example of Facebook web page, it can contain page like this. It can contain some options. It means graphical user interface options. That pages are developed using programming language like HTML, JavaScript, CSS. CSS means cascading style sheets, jQuery, AngularJS, etc. These languages are used to develop these front pages. These pages only visible by the user. It is called front end. But if you enter any data into that front end pages, that data is transferred through the application programming interface. Like here, look here, this API transfers the data into DBMS and stores inside the database. This database also designed using SQL language, structure query language. So this database designed using any one of the software like Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, IBM DB2, SAP Sybase, etc. These are the DBMS softwares. In these softwares, in our final year, we are discussing about Oracle programming. This can also developed by programmers. Between this front end and back end, one programming is there, that is nothing but API. It is the interface between front end and back end. These API programs are developed using Java, C, C++, etc. Dear students, in this year we are learning about this back end programming.